Hi, in this video I will show you how to delete Safari on iPhone. So we are gonna start with opening settings, and here I want you to start scrolling down until you can see section screen time. Now in the settings we are interested in content and privacy restrictions, and here we need to turn it on by toggle on the switch. Then in the list, pick Allowed Apps and Features. And now if you want to delete Safari from your home screen, from App Library, from Spotlight Search, then here just toggle off the switch near Safari. And just in a few seconds, you will notice that it will disappear from home screen and from App Library. As you can see, it's working. Safari is gone. We can also try to swipe down for Spotlight Search. Input Safari. And now we can only find it in App Store, as you can see. So in App Library, we won't be able to find it either. But with this way, you can easily bring it back by opening settings, again selecting screen time, content and privacy, allowed apps, and toggle on the switch near Safari. Then also just in a few moments it will be back to your home screen, just like that, and you will be able to use this app again. So we removed it. If you want to permanently delete the app, then you need to press and hold it, choose remove, choose delete. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.